forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday. We have seen a rebound north of that warm front, those showers, even a couple of thunderstorms. For the most part, any lightning we're seeing showing up, that's pretty much in Walworth County, just to our northeast. But still some pretty heavy showers that are coming down kind of near the Franklin Grove area. Dixon just saw that heavy shower move through the area as well. Kings, also Scott, heading towards Franklin. Again, this isn't any severe weather, just some pockets of heavier showers that are going to continue to push through about the next hour. That's pretty much east of Rockford, also south of Rockford at this point in time, just to the west of, or the east of Belvedere, near Spring, just west of Marengo, and then obviously those focal point in showers and also that lightning kind of up near Lake Geneva, and then continuing to travel east or northeast. We're not seeing as gusty of a day compared to yesterday. The showers, though, that are coming down pretty heavy are reducing visibility because we also have higher humidity levels, lots of moisture in the atmosphere too. So we're down to 2 miles of visibility in Rockford, 3 in Rochelle. Monroe still sitting under a mile of visibility, though. They're kind of up near 3/4 of a mile. That's what they're down to. So visibilities are going to continue to drop. I think we're going to have a foggy night, at least some patchy fog that does linger into tomorrow morning as a result from all that moisture that is sitting around in our atmosphere. Obviously, also we're dealing with wet roadways in spots. Just be careful, allow a little bit of extra time, also increase distance, stopping distances from you and the person in front of you, just because it is wet on those roadways from all those showers that did come down. Not a whole lot. We pretty much are only checking into 1/10, 2/10 at the most, and that's pretty much for the areas that have seen those heavier showers come through. We're sitting at 49 still in Freeport, hanging on to that 50-degree mark. Temperatures will fall, though, behind that front into tonight. Cooler than what we have seen the last couple of days, but anywhere pretty much northwest, also directly north of Rockford, have not hit the 50-degree mark. Areas to our south, that's a different story. There's a huge temperature gradient south of that warm front. Temperatures downstate, Bloomington into the lower 70s, even pushing the 80-degree mark in St. Louis. Places just to our north, though, a little bit cooler than even here. Like I mentioned, Janesville sitting in those upper 40s, but just to the north, Madison only checking into 46 degrees. So that's the big temperature gradient. After all those showers do move out, like I said, pretty much south and then also northeast of Rockford at this point in time, only going to last for eastern areas like in McHenry County, Boone County, DeKalb, also Walworth for the next maybe about 45 minutes to an hour. Moving out, cloud cover does decrease overnight. That's why we could start to see some patchy fog, but winds are going to rebound. It's also going to be very windy out there tonight into tomorrow, but temperatures are going to fall as a result of the cloud cover moving out. Probably the lower 30s today, and then even cooler Thursday night into Friday morning. Temperatures will be nicer, though, a little bit warmer tomorrow afternoon compared to what we experienced, though, out there this afternoon with that warm front, just because it didn't slide further north. If it did, that would have warmed our southern areas up a little bit more. Near normal the next couple of days, and then our focal point's going to be on that ridge that's building out west of here. That'll bring us some warmer air probably by about Sunday, but definitely much warmer by Tuesday, Wednesday, so early to midweek this upcoming week. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, though, right near normal, taking us into Veterans Day. 52 tomorrow. We're down to 48 Friday, 49 Saturday. Not terrible, but that is going to be a couple degrees below average. At least we're near normal the next couple days. Like I mentioned, our next couple of nights are going to be cold, lower 30s, upper 20s, and then Mimi 60s possibly by Tuesday.